Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating power and confirming 0 volts at the service panel. This protects you and the equipment. Once done, inspect the transfer switch rating and how it handles neutral and ground to ensure compatibility with your panel. Make sure to use the correct conductor gauge and type. Undersized wire creates heat and failures. Prepare your tools and PPE so you can move efficiently into wiring without stopping to fetch parts. You should mount the transfer switch securely and align its knockouts with conduit runs. This prevents strain on conductors. Next, route and connect the generator hot legs to the switch inputs, keeping phase order consistent so devices run correctly when transferred. Once the hots are secure, attach neutrals and grounds exactly as the manufacturer specifies. Incorrect bonding can backfeed or trip protective devices. Double-check lug torque to prevent loose connections and heating. You now perform live verification. Start the generator and assess voltage, phase rotation, and frequency at the switch outputs to confirm proper supply. Once stable, flip the manual transfer switch to the generator position and observe that intended circuits energize without tripping breakers. If something goes wrong, stop and troubleshoot. First, recheck phase sequence, lug torque, and neutral/ground bonding. Then inspect protective devices and wiring for miswires or shorted conductors before repeating tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.